Okay, so adding the legs, now I'm gonna press add mesh icosphere. So this is another icosphere. Now you can see here where it is. I'm gonna select this this green dot right here to look from this direction and move this out. Now I can select scale and I'll scale up the leg a little. Then I'll select rotate and I will rotate the leg. Then I'll press scale again because I think this is a little too big, and then move it up a bit. Now I can continue looking around. So this looks good. I'll move it to the back. Then press Control C, then Control V, and move it to the right. Select rotate and rotate it so that it's a mirror image, and move this one. So now there's the back legs. I'll press this, then shift select the other one, Control C, Control V. So now there are these two. I'll rotate these ones forwards a little and also make them a little bit longer and move them closer to the front. So now there is the back legs and the front legs. I will also add a tail. So add mesh, add a cylinder for the tail. So move this out here, scale it down, but keep it kind of longer. Then rotate this one this way. Move it like this. I'll scale it up a little more. If I click this thing that says global and click local, then it'll scale in the local direction. Then click global again and move up. So there's the tail, and also change it by going to modeling, loop cut, which is this tool, loop cut, click here. Then I will move this down and this way so that it looks more like a real tail, and go into layout again, and there is the animal with the full body, the legs and the tail. And now all I will do is I will select each of these. So click on it, shift click on all of them, then right click and join, and then I will call this one, I will press F2 to rename it, and then right, and rename this body. Then I can click on this UV editing, press A to select everything, UV mark seam, UV unwrap, and then once it has finished unwrapping, you'll see there's quite a few polygons here, mainly from the head. Clear seam, texture paint, new material, which will be base color. I'll select a good color that I want for my animal. Maybe I'll do like maybe a blue color. Press OK. So there's the base color. Go back into UV editing, then texture paint, so it renders the left part also. Then I can select a different color and start drawing on it. So for example, maybe I'll add like I'll zoom in and add a little swirl on the side. Also do that on this side, you know. Maybe on the legs at the bottom I'll add something. So you can really have fun with this texture paint tool, because it's actually what makes your meshes look fun, and also what makes them kind of realistic. So enjoy texture painting your animal. It's fun to use several different shades of color and different types of color. Remember strength, so if you want it very strong, choose full strength, and enjoy texture painting. Okay, so once you have a nicely colored animal, then you can see here, remember the same steps as before, except now we're going to go into your file explorer, whatever explorer you choose to use. Go to wherever you saved your animal head, your tree mesh, and your tree texture, and right click, new folder, and just type in animal. So this will be the animal folder. And go in here, right click, new folder, skeletal, and then go into skeletal, right click, new folder, animations. So these are all of the different things that you're going to be needing, and just move the animal head, drag and move into the animal folder. So now what you're going to do is go here and click image, save as, go to wherever you saved and put the animal folder. So mine is in my tutorials, Blender, objects, animal, and I'll type in animal texture, ANIMALTEXTURE. So animal texture, click save as image, then file, export FBX in the exact same location, animal, then type in animal static, press export FBX. Then one more thing for saving as a blend file in case something goes wrong and you want to just restart, file, save as, then go into your folder wherever you saved it, so objects, animal, then type in animal static again, animal static blend, enter, save as blender file. So now you have all of these things that you need here. So animal static, blend, animal head, animal texture, and then we're going to be making the skeleton so you can make it a skeletal mesh next.